Hi everyone! Today I'm coming with a new video. It's TikTok made me buy it. I need to get a sip of my drink before starting it, as in every video I have to have a drink. So, the very first thing that I saw it was so popular on TikTok was this moon lamp, which honestly I love. It looks so cute. I'm going to insert a video or picture in here so you guys can see how this exactly looks. It does remind me of sunset for sure. It creates some romantic atmosphere, or like when you're studying or like doing some work stuff, you can just like pop this lamp on and like feel more like, I don't know, cute stuff around the house make me more motivated. So if you're studying for the exam or trying to like work from home, then definitely stuff like this will help you with that. I like to have this lamp on and my candle while I'm reading a book or doing like some stuff. So yeah, highly recommend that one. And then next, actually two items are those very cute soaps. You probably guys saw it on TikTok many times. This one makes a foam like a flower, and this one is more of a, it says cat. No, it doesn't say cat, it's just cat is just here. It's playful paw print. So I actually haven't used this yet because I was keep waiting for this video to make. So I'm actually going to see if this really works. Okay, I'm going to start with flour. I hope I'm not going to like spill all over myself. It's actually flour. Smells very fresh. It smells like oh my God. It smells like something like citrusy. Yeah, it says Yuzu flower. Usually it's like citrus something. So okay, well, let me just wipe this. Okay, let's try the other one. What is this supposed to smell like? I don't think it says it, but yeah, let's see. This is, if this works, it's gonna be so cute. What? This one is broken, y'all. I got broken one. Let me wipe this thing with my towel. And let's try this one more time. So cute! Oh my God, it's out of focus. It's so cute. Oh my God, guys. So cute. Smells the same. Smells exactly the same, so yeah. But it's fun, especially if your kids or whoever doesn't like washing their hands. I think they would have fun with that one. It smells so nice. And then lastly, I was waiting for those things to come for over a month. I actually believe it was like 2 months because I ordered it a long time ago and delivery was keeping delayed. So that's fun, but it finally arrived. You guys are probably you guys probably know this brand HALARA. I guess HALARA. HALARA, yeah. I got those. They had those super cute dresses that you don't need to wear any underwear in. And then you're also not going to be flashing everyone around because they're having those pants underneath. So that's fun, especially because I live in Windy City, Chicago. So, I mean, I don't live in Chicago, I live very close to Chicago, but you know, the weather is the same. I live in Illinois. So yeah, I got this super cute color blue dress. It's actually kind of heavy. It feels like material is actually pretty good. We're gonna see how this one looks like on. Guys, this dress is everything. It's everything. I feel like everyone who lives in very windy area should own this dress. It's perfect. Material, as I said earlier, just seems very like strong, and it's like actually it's quite stretchy as well. It feels very like good quality dress. As I said, it has this like built-in bra, so you don't have to like wear any underneath, and it's just perfect. Like everything is perfect. The length is perfect. You don't have to like worry to like show anything because the wind counts, and oh, you have shorts underneath. And then next, also from the same brand, I got leggings, high waisted, like twisted in the waist, I believe, yeah, twisted in the waist here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, twisted here, and then like they're supposed to like make you look a little bit skinnier in the waist area. So let's see. I know Kylie Jenner was, they're kind of like short, like from this. Let's see. I know Kylie Jenner was wearing it recently. I mean, I'm not sure if from this brand, but yeah, but I saw her Insta story with this kind of shape. So yeah, and they have pockets if any of you like loves pockets. I don't. I'm one of those that don't care. So yeah, they have pockets for your phone or for something else you need to put in there. And then I got a couple shirts, same brand of course, because recently I just realized that I've been wearing only bras for my workouts, and I just decided to, you know, winter is coming, like put some like bras in there. So I mean some shirts. So yeah, okay, I got this crop top. Love this color. It's very like earthy, kind of like brown, but it has a little bit of like, I don't know, I think yeah, like a brown and white tones. Super cute. And it has those holes for finger. So yeah, let's see how this will look on me. Okay, so here we have this top on. As I said, it has those holes for finger in here. Actually, I'm not sure what this is for. I'm assuming when you're like doing some lifting or something, so you're not gonna get those like bumps in here. It's very comfortable, and I definitely see myself wearing it to the gym. I just love this color so much. It's very like earthy. I love that. Oh, it has like the detailing in the back. I didn't even see that. Yeah, it has some detailing over here. And then lastly, I got one more top. This one, well, it looks like they all of them have like those built-in, not that one doesn't, but this one also has those built-in bras, I think. Yes, it does. It looks like this, I think. Yeah, so you don't have to worry about wearing a bra with this. This one is really cute as well, and I can actually wait to wear this for my yoga that I'm probably going to go for today. And this is the another top. It's all black, and as I said, it has this built-in bra, so I don't have to wear any bra underneath, which is perfect. And guys, look, it also has those like holes for your fingers, so that's fun. So all of you who are lifting don't have to wear any gloves, I'm assuming, unless they don't really work as much as well as actual gloves for lifting. I don't know, I'm not an expert. You guys can tell me, whoever is lifting, you can tell me if this works, if it's actually even for that, to be honest. Very basic, some cute black crop top, and then when you guys turn around, you have this boom open back thing with those super cute stripes in here. Yeah, it looks very cute, and I'm definitely wearing it for my next workout. And then I'm also wearing those leggings, and I'm going to show you right now. I'm too lazy to like go on the floor and do all this, so I'm just staying in my bed, so you guys don't mind me. Okay, so those are those black leggings. As you guys can hopefully see, they have those like cross waist over here. so they should be like snatching body really well. I don't know, you guys can tell me because right now I can't really see anything, so that's fun. But we'll see everything while editing this video, so yeah. Okay, so this is how they look. I thought they would be much shorter, but they're completely not. They're super long. Like, actually, they're perfect length for me. So, yeah. That's it for this all black outfit. Okay guys, this will be it for this very short video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and every single item that I listed will be linked down below. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like button and subscribe my channel. I would highly appreciate that, and have a great day. Bye!